So what you can also do is you can write out movie scripts by using ChatGPT. Suppose, let's say you have a story like this right here. So over here you can see that there's a person named Maya, and it's about her right here. So now what I'm going to go around and do is I'm going to go around and just type this prompt at the end. As you can see, it says write this story as a film script. Simply go around, type in write this story as a film script right here, just like this, script just like this, and then press send. And what happens is that it'll take in this particular story right here, and then you can see that it changes out it into a script right here, just like this. So this is what you have. You can see the exterior, the interior, and you can see the dialogues over here just like this as well, and so forth. And you can format it out as well. So I'm going to go around and say bold out the scene headings, and I'm going to go around and say character and transitions just like this, and press enter. And then what happens is that it'll go around and reformat it out again just like this. So you can see that this is what you have, and it bolded it out around over here just like this. So that is what you have. It didn't bold out the fade in and fade out, but you can actually go around and say that and highlight it again and format it out. But sometimes it doesn't work perfectly. But you can see that this is what you have, and it formatted out my content, my story content over here into a script just like this. So that is how you can generate out and write out movie scripts as you like inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.